Hello everybody, this is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image a couple years ago and I'm gonna try on this one. Well, kind of difficult subject I think because of that we photographers have more consciousness to the lighting. So this shot is so, of course the lighting is pretty strong subject to me, and I'm gonna try on painting on this. Gotta be that big consciousness to the lighting, but I don't know, I'm not painter, so if I could express this lighting on the paint. Well, this is a shot of my work, and I made a line image by Adobe Photoshop. Use the filter called Find Edges, which doesn't see the light, right? So I don't know. Well, let's try it. And what's gonna happen? I'm gonna think about the lighting. Pretty strong. Now, what am I can? Well, let's see this little fade down on this. Then this one too, a little bit down so I can see the light. Now what am I can? Well, I'm gonna work on this here. Watercolor brushes, big one, watercolor wash flat. That's what I'm gonna start now, and size is big. Float is also max. Then what shall I start? From dark side or lighter side? Well, let's go with this skin tone first, then add some darker areas to add more paint. Okay. Well, let's try it. Oops. In that case, that's now I'm going to try on from dark side. Okay, I'm gonna change the blend mode. Then this one I'm touching a lot now. change this one to color, then now I'm going to touch the shadow area more, going down to dark. Well, since we have a base image here, so it doesn't affect the overall image, but if you take this one off, it's gonna be this. Just embarrassed me. Going normal. See, it's kind of mess. But this is try on. Then, well, try and error. And many times I can. So this time I'm trying very beginner. As a beginner, I'm trying everything, you know. Well, now we're gonna see this again, and let's play around more. Now go for, let's see, the skin tone. Kind of interesting, but I'm gonna blend first, then I'm gonna add the layer, so it's not gonna mix up to the other colors around. Maybe that's interesting. Well, let's see. Color to normal. Yeah, blend to the outside. Okay. Okay, now check the all the layers now. Let's see the color up to normal, so I can see that painting. This is that. This one goes to here, then change this one to the color. Okay. Well, let's try this. Change this layer, move toward, go over this, then I'm gonna convert to pixel layer, then create empty mask, invert. Now I'm take the brush, I want some kind of texture on it, so we're painting. Looks like Pac-Man, Japanese game. Go forward. Oh, I mean hide. Turn more dark. Some kind of different feeling from the original. I mean base. This. I don't know. But I'm gonna try it again though. Well, this is it for today. Thank you for watching my video, and I see you next time. Have a good day, guys. Nice day. Ciao.